Sunrise, 6:05 a.m. Sunset, 7:57 p.m. Thursday, rip current risk, low. Surf heights, 1 to 2 feet. Thunderstorm potential, moderate. Weather, partly sunny. Patchy fog. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. High temperature, in the mid-80s. Winds, west winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming south in the afternoon. Tides, Belmar, high 11:48 a.m. Low at 5:58 p.m. Sunrise, 6:06 a.m. Sunset, 7:56 p.m. At Atlantic City Steel Pier, low tide is at 4:49 a.m. Wednesday. High tide is at 11:04 a.m. Wednesday. Low tide is at 5:18 p.m. Wednesday. High tide is at 11:20. Mid-80s. North winds around 5 miles.